Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I am Anatomy Awakened, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of human anatomy. In this video, we will explore the major systems of the body, from the intricate network of muscles to the essential organs that keep us alive. We will break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand segments. Ready? Let's get started. What virus causes the common cold? A. Influenza virus. B. Rhinovirus. C. Coronavirus. D. RSV. Correct answer. B. Rhinovirus. Rhinoviruses are the most common viral infectious agents in humans, responsible for a significant portion of colds. 2. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs? A. Kidneys. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. Lungs. Correct answer. B. Liver. The liver plays a key role in detoxification, metabolism, and production of biochemicals necessary for digestion. 3. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Skin. C. Liver. D. Lungs. Correct answer. B. Skin. The skin is the largest organ, serving as a barrier, protecting internal organs, and regulating body temperature. 4. What disease is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV? A. Diabetes. B. Tuberculosis. C. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS. D. Correct answer. C. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS. AIDS is the late stage of HIV infection, where the immune system becomes severely compromised, leading to opportunistic infections. 5. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Brainstem. D. Thalamus. Correct answer. B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is crucial for maintaining balance and coordination of voluntary movements. 6. Which condition is primarily characterized by chronic inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract? A. Celiac disease. B. Ulcerative colitis. C. Gallstones. D. Appendicitis. Correct answer. B. Ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is a type of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, that specifically affects the colon and rectum. 7. What structure connects muscles to bones? A. Ligaments. B. Tendons. C. Cartilage. D. Joints. Correct answer. B. Tendons. Tendons are fibrous connective tissues that attach muscles to bones, enabling movement. 8. What is the primary function of red blood cells? A. Fighting infection. B. Clotting blood. C. Transporting oxygen. D. Regulating blood pressure. Correct. Answer. C. Transporting oxygen. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which binds oxygen in the lungs and transports it to tissues throughout the body. 9. What is the primary symptom of asthma? A. Fever. B. Coughing. C. Chest tightness. D. Both B and C. Correct answer. D. Both B and C. Asthma symptoms often include coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness, particularly during exercise or at night. 10. What condition is characterized by the accumulation of plaque in the arteries? A. Asthma. B. Atherosclerosis. C. Cirrhosis. D. Anemia. Correct answer. B. Atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis involves the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on the artery walls, leading to reduced blood flow. 11. Which part of the neuron receives signals from other neurons? A. Axon. B. Dendrites. C. Myelin sheath. D. Synapse. Correct answer. B. Dendrites. Dendrites are the branching extensions of a neuron that receive signals from other neurons, facilitating communication within the nervous system. 12. What type of muscle is involuntary and found in the walls of internal organs? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Striated muscle. Correct answer. C. Smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is non-striated and involuntary, found in the walls of hollow organs like the intestines and blood vessels. 13. Which of the following diseases is caused by a prion? A. Mad cow disease. B. Tuberculosis. C. Malaria. D. Zika virus. Correct answer. A. Mad cow disease. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, or mad cow disease, is caused by misfolded proteins called prions, affecting the brain. 14. Which autoimmune disorder primarily affects the joints? A. Psoriasis. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. C. Multiple sclerosis. D. Crohn's disease. Correct. Answer. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition that leads to inflammation and pain in the joints, potentially causing joint damage over time. 15. Which viral infection is known for causing a rash and flu-like symptoms and can lead to serious complications in pregnant women? A. Measles. B. Rubella. C. Chickenpox. D. Herpes. Correct answer. B. Rubella, or German measles, can lead to serious birth defects if a woman contracts it during pregnancy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.